Hey, I have been watching you from behind. How did you create entire report under 5 minutes?
Simple, because I've been using the latest AI features of Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft PowerPoint, I'm able to do all of this work just under 5 minutes.
Can you please teach me the same?
Absolutely, I can. Hi.
Hello everyone, welcome to Be10x channel. Today we are going to see how we can insert columns in our Excel sheet with the help of GPT. Okay guys, so this is the Excel sheet. Okay, we have employee ID, name, city, and we are going to insert one more column, gender. Okay, we'll be using Python and Google Colab for this operation. Okay guys, so let's enter into the coding. I am taking this GPT. Let's go back to GPT and I will be adding this Excel sheet into here. Okay, so this is the insert column sheet which I'm going to add it. Okay, so add. So we need over here, right? It is like it is a D column, right? Add and let's make add new column gender at D1 cell. After, for understanding purpose, I'm giving, okay, after the city column, after the city column from the insert column dot xlsx. Okay, so we'll give over here. This is the part. So add a new column gender at D1 cell after. Okay, since this is the sheet Excel sheet as an input sheet, here is our directory. This is the input file, and this is the Google Colab I'll be using for writing Python. Okay, so let's see. I'll be closing this so that it should not, while executing, it may open the file. It should not say it is already open. So let's wait. Load the Excel sheet, insert a new column labeled gender and the city. It is still, okay. So it has loaded. I successfully added the gender column. Okay, so this is the output it has seen. Now, would you like me to save this modified data frame back to an Excel sheet? I will put yes. Add it to a new file. Okay, let's see. Because it has just given us, let's see how it is doing. Okay, so I hope you are liking it, guys. Okay, so there is a link, okay, given in the below description, because that has our all workshop details, because you will come to know many more AI tools from the workshop that will be conducted. Okay, so join our workshop at a minimal price from the link in the given below description. Okay, because the advantage is you will definitely increase your efficiency and productivity, and also it will improve your decision making skills. Okay, and it will personalize your experiences, and it will help you to develop a new product. So if you want to enjoy all these benefits, join our workshop. Okay, the link will be given in the below description. Really, it will help you to greater heights. Okay guys, so let's see now what is there. Yeah, it has given the output file. Okay, now let's take this part. Now let's enjoy. So I am taking copy code. Okay, I'll be moving here and like, okay, so this is the location, input location I'll be taking here, and this is not the right location, so I'll be using over here. Okay, now let's execute. The header part should be displayed. Yeah, so it has employee ID, name, city. Okay, the next part let's add. Okay, copy code. So it is, I'm copying the code. You can add what this code is doing. You can copy and paste it in the ChatGPT, you will come to know what this code is doing in a better explanation. Okay, so the gender new column has been added as per our requirement. Okay, then we told that it has to be added to a new Excel sheet, right? That just hold on, because the end user should be benefited, right? So this is the part for it. Output file. This location we should modify. Okay, like what I have given over here, because this is the place where the my files and my code is there. So that it will be available over there. Okay, guys, let's see. So let's see. Yes, modified insert column. Okay. This is the output. It has been generated. So as per our requirement, it has added the new file. Okay. New column over here. It has added the gender. Okay. So this is the part how the AI is helping us now, guys. Right. Imagine if you want to do the code on your own, it would have been difficult. Right. So definitely, in order to enjoy your working skills, in order to increase your efficiency, productivity, and for your decision making skills, join the link. Okay, click the link in the below description. You will really enjoy everything. Okay, so see you again, guys. Take care. Bye bye.